Hi everyone, good evening all of you. Welcome to our YouTube channel Library Science with Rakesh Sir and our team. So guys, today we are going to our video test series number class 9. First of all guys, we are starting the class, we discussing a few points for that video. This class was helpful for these given examinations. So guys, read the carefully questions and watch till the end of a video. Let's start the video. The first question of the test series is: the librarians and information scientists usually provide information services on the basis of the collection of various type of sources. The options are: option A is documentary sources, option number B is bibliographical sources, option C is the non-documentary sources, option D is the information sources. So guys, tick the correct answer. The correct answer for that question guys, option number D. Option number D is denoted by information sources. Yes guys, information sources is usually provide the information librarians and information scientists, that is the collection of types of sources. Question number second is the information sources are divided into the two following categories, namely as option A is the documentary and non-documentary sources, option number B is the bibliographical and reference sources, option C is the primary and secondary sources, option D is the information and ready reference sources. Tick the correct and right answer guys. The correct answer of that question, option number A. Option number A is the documentary and non-documentary sources. Yes, this is the correct answer for that question guys. Next question is the question number third. Third question: the documentary sources are availability classified in the form of option A is the printed sources, option B is the non-printing sources, option C is the databases sources, and option D is the bibliographical sources. The correct answer for that question guys, take the correct answer. The correct answer for that question is option number A. Option number A is the printed sources. Yes guys, the documentary sources are availability in the form of printed sources, and printed sources is also known as a hard copy of material and data and informations. So we will know as a documentary sources. Next question is the question number 4. Question number 4 is other sources of information beside the traditional documentary source known as. Option number A is the documentary sources, option B is the bibliographical sources, option number C is the non-documentary sources, or option D is the information sources. Tick the correct answer students, quickly and fast. The correct answer for that question, option number C. Option number C is the non-documentary sources. Yes guys, this is the correct answer for that question. Question number 5 is of library system. So read carefully guys. Common sources of information are that in which any individual serves as a source of information. Is that example of interaction with experts, fellows, specialists, family members and researchers, gives a lot of information as a categorized of. Option A is the documentary sources, option B is the bibliographical sources, option C is the non-documentary sources, option D is the information sources. So guys, read the question carefully and tick the correct right answer. The correct answer for that question, option number C. Option number C is denoted by non-documentary sources. Yes guys, this is the correct for that question. Next question is question number 6. Question number 6 is a audio visual sources fall in the categories of option A is the documentary sources, option B is the bibliographical sources, option C is the non-documentary sources, and option number D is the information sources. Choose the correct right answer, guys. The correct answer for that question, guys, option number C. Option number C is non-documentary sources. Yes, this is the correct answer for that question. Audio-visual source categorized in the form of non-documentary sources. Next question is the most important question for the classify of information source. Question number 7th. Question number 7th is a Grogan has classified documentary information source in the categories of option A is the documentary and non-documentary, option B is the bibliographical and reference sources, option number C is the primary, secondary and tertiary sources, option D is the short and long range sources. So guys, and a student tick the correct answer. The correct answer for that question, guys, option number C. Option number C is denoted by option number C. Option C is primary source, secondary source and tertiary source. Firstly, guys, we are discussing primary source of information. Primary source of information is usually first time, and secondary source of information is usually primary source of data. We will collect secondary source of information, and tertiary source of information, it also used primary and secondary source of information. Next question is the question number 8. Question number 8 is the sometimes the information is not published in a regular publication, so this can be sought directly from the research organization. This form of source called, yes, it is most important question. Option A is the human sources, option B is the institutional sources, option C are mass media sources, option D is the audio visual sources. The correct answer for that question, guys, option B. Option B is the institutional sources. Yes, it is also known the institutional sources. Option B is the correct answer for that question. Next question is the question number 9th. Question number 9th is a document in which the information contained in original is known as a type of sources: documentary sources, secondary sources, tertiary sources and primary sources. The correct answer for that question, guys, option number D. Option number D is denoted by primary sources. Yes, guys, this is the correct answer, option number D. Next question, question number 10th. Question number 10th is most important question and asked in much more examination relating to the library field. Question number 10th, patent are the source of information source. Option A is the documentary sources, option number B is the non-documentary sources, option number C is the primary sources, or option number D is the tertiary sources. Yes, guys, select the correct answer and pick the right. Option number D is the option number C is the correct answer for that question. Yes, patent are the primary source of information and data. Option number C is the correct answer. Next question is the question number 11th. Question number 11th is dissertation has very important role in research which fall in human sources, secondary sources, primary sources and tertiary sources. Yes, guys, the correct answer for that question, option number C. Option number C is denoted by primary sources of data and information. Question number 12th. The primary sources are very large in number and can be usually assessed by the help of some secondary sources like bibliography, abstracts and index. Option B is the bibliographies, biographies and indexes. Option number C is the encyclopedias, dictionaries and handbooks. Option number D is the yearbooks, directories and glories. Tick the correct answer, guys. And this question was very most important question, guys. It is a most important question, very most question. Read the options and tick the correct answer, guys. The correct answer for that question is option number A. Option number A is denoted by bibliographies, abstracts and index. Next question is question number 13. Standards are the example of source of data or informations. Option A is the documentary sources, option B is the secondary sources, option C is the primary sources and option number D is the tertiary sources. Yes guys, tick the correct answer. The correct answer for that question, option number C. Option number C is primary sources. Yes, standard are the example of primary source of information and data. Next is question number 14th. In the sources of the original information is selected, modified and arranged in a suitable format for the purpose of easy location by the users. Option A is the documentary sources, option B is the secondary sources, option C is the primary sources and option number D is the tertiary sources. So guys, any student tick the correct answer for that question. The correct answer for that question, option number B. Option number B is secondary sources of information and data. Next question is question number 15th. Yes guys, it is the most important question and write and written in our notebook. Question number 50 is the gazetteers are the source of information source. Option A is the documentary sources, option B is the secondary sources, option C is the primary sources and option D is the tertiary sources. The correct answer for that question, guys, option number B. Option number B is the secondary sources of information and data. Next question is question number 16. Sources that act as a guide to the secondary and primary sources are relating to. Option A is documentary sources, option B is secondary sources, option C is the primary sources and option number D is the tertiary sources. The correct answer for that question, guys, option number D. Option number D is relating to tertiary sources. Yes guys, it is used for primary source of information and data and secondary source of information and data, that calls tertiary sources. Next question, question number 13. Question number 13 is a sources consulted only for getting special required information by the users and which are not meant for the continuous reading are called. Options are option A is information sources, option B is the reference sources, option C is the bibliographical sources and option D is the tertiary sources. The correct answer for that question, option number B. Option number B is relating to reference sources. Yes guys, it is option B. Next question is the question number 18. Question number 18th is the book form which is designed by its arrangement and treatment to be consulted for the defining items for information after then to be read consecutively in known as. Option number A is monograph, option number B is dissertation, option number C is periodical and option D is the reference sources. Yes guys, tick the correct answer for that question. Option number D is the right answer for that question. Reference sources is a part of books modified arrangement we are forwarding the next question of this video series. Next question is the question number 19th. The source says they cannot be issued for home reading are called monographs, textbooks, periodicals and reference sources. The correct answer for that question, guys, option number D. Option number D is denoted by reference sources. Yes. Next question and last question of the test series is dictionaries are the main reference sources and they have some types of just like as a option A is RBs and unRBs, option B is bilingual and multilingual, option C is pronunciation, uses and hot binding, option D is RBs and unRBs, bilingual and multilingual. So tick the correct and most appropriate answer, guys, quickly and fast. The correct answer for that question, option number D. Option number D is very good types of dictionaries, just like as RBs, NRBs, bilingual and multilingual. Yes, guys, dictionary also is the types of multilingual and bilingual language. So guys, I hope you enjoy the video test series, and please like our video channel and subscribe the bell icon and press bell icon and like the video and comment in video description box. Thank you, guys.